Okay, so we've got a plum unit here that needs an argon replacement. When you buy the kit from either kitchenfoundry.com, you're going to find that you're going to get a tool to remove the argon tank, replacement argon tank, shipping instructions to send the old one back. They also give you the Allen key in the kit in order to open up the rear door. So we're going to start the prompts here. Replace the argon. It's double checking that we have the tank. Yes, we do. Confirming you have these 3 items. Yes, we do. Remove and install canister. Remove argon door on the back of your unit. So the door is here. As you can see, they have a Allen key here at the top. I'm going to remove that screw, and here comes the door off the machine. Now it says stop. Follow the on-screen instructions to avoid any damage to your plum. Of course, unscrew argon canister counterclockwise while using the provided canister handle. Tighten the new argon canister until resistance is encountered. Using the provided canister handle, make 3 to 4 rotations until unable to tighten any further. Okay, now it's waiting for us to do this. Now, this is the tool they have provided us. So it looks like these are just little packing pieces of styrofoam. We're going to put the special tool on there, and we are going to back this canister off. Here we go with our old argon canister. We're going to remove that. Here's our new canister that we are installing. Just double checking the front screen. It's saying 3 to 4 rotations here for this guy. Goes right in this hole. Couple of rotations. And I feel it getting tight. Just give it a little quarter of a turn. Argon canister installed. Argon canister installation complete. So that's all the steps to replace your argon canister for a plum wine pouring unit.